Hello. I am going to walk you through the planning, designing, building, and finally deploying my GIF Search application. So, step one, I needed to create a place to hold my code. Super simple. So, I created a blank GitHub project. I put a basic title in there, set the privacy to private because there was nothing to show. Then I moved on to making a project, and that outlines my initial setup. I need to brainstorm. I moved on to planning, search features, technology features, design, research, figure out what colors I want to go with. So once I had this all set up, then I moved on to Figma, where I created how I wanted the application to look. So it's just a one-page application. My title, some buttons, search, submit, and then below where the GIFs would display. On the side, I also have some descriptions and kind of directions when I was ready to use Visual Studio Code to start working on it. So now that I have my blueprint, I moved on to Visual Studio Code and I started drawing up my HTML, my CSS, and my JavaScript. Assets, CSS, JavaScript. And then since I am using an API for this application, I need my API logic. And then this is my README with all my documentation for the application. I also have a wiki that goes into more of the documentation for planning, developing, and then finally when I was ready to deploy onto Vercel. Here's the wiki. So it goes up into where I put the project, the wireframe that I used with Figma, software tools, and then lastly, when I deployed to Vercel. Here it is. Live on Vercel. Definitely a lot different than my wireframe, but everything works. Still kind of same concept, just a lot prettier. But that is it. Thank you.